Children, question number 9 is also simple. Two right triangles have been given to you and they are asking you to prove them similar and then show this proportion. Okay. So these are the two triangles that we have to prove similar. So for that, what we would say is that for the first triangle ABC, we'll call it as angle ABC. Okay, so angle ABC, yahin se name karo aap, angle ABC, they've written just B here, better name it as angle ABC is equal to angle AMP. AMP. Reason 90 degree each. We can see that clearly. Then for the next one, let's name it as BAC or maybe CAB. So the other one will be named as PAM. अगर आपने CAB नेम किया है तो इसे PAM नेम करोगे एंड एल्स अगर किसी ने इसको BAC नेम करा है तो MAP. Okay, the corresponding vertices have to go together even while naming the angles. Okay, rather than just writing this AA, it's better you mention the full name according to the triangle. Okay, and obviously the reason is that this angle is common in both the triangles. So again, you've got AA criteria, hence the triangles are similar. And for similar triangles, we know corresponding sides are in proportion. Okay, so corresponding sides are in proportion. So आपका जो first triangle है उसमें angle B 90 था, तो B के opposite side आई है पूरी ये CA. तो CA will correspond to दूसरे triangle में 90 के opposite side है PA. So we will write CA upon PA because both were sides opposite to 90 degree will be proportional to now CB angle A दूसरा था जो इक्वल था दोनों में. So A के opposite first triangle में आया है side CB and दूसरे triangle में आया है PM. Okay, so you just have to see that which angles are equal. तो जो angles equal हैं उन्हीं के opposite जो side होती है वो corresponding sides likewise proportion में आती है. That is all you had to prove. Okay, that is that ratios of corresponding corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. That will be your reasoning. Now children, the 10th question, it is said that CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and EGF such that D and H lie on the sides AB and EF of two triangles ABC and EFG. Figure is not given to us, but that's simple. You just need to consider two triangles, one ABC and EFG. And for that, angle ACB and the other one EGF के bisectors, okay, have been drawn. Bisectors, angle bisectors means this 1, 3, 2, 4 shown to you, these will be equal to each other. Okay, bisector dividing into two equal parts, and then these bisectors are meeting the side opposite at D in the first and at H in the other. Okay, so the figure was simple to draw. Then you had to prove that yes, these two triangles are going to be these two triangles are said to be similar, and then these three things need to be proved. Okay, so as soon as they say these two triangles are similar, all their corresponding angles will be equal and their sides will be in proportion. Okay, so we would say given that these two triangles ABC and EFG are similar, then angle A equals to F, angle B equals to angle E out here, and angle C will be equal to angle G. Okay, as they have been named out there, similar. Likewise, their corresponding vertices पे जो angles from हो रहे हैं, they all will be equal. And फिर यहीं से proportion भी बन जाता है. You would take AB, with that you will take FE. Then if you take BC, you take EG. Then if you take AC, first and the third, then you take FG from here. Okay, so ये similarity से ये condition आपके पास आ गई. Now in the first part you had to prove angle triangle ACD. So ACD is this small triangle being formed here, and the other one you have FGH. These two triangles are going to be similar is what they are asking us to show. Okay, so for that we would say in the first triangle this angle A is equal to angle F that we had proved above. Okay, or that was given to us, we can say. Then you can mark them at like they have marked 1 2 3 4. You can mark it as x y, whichever, x x and y y also. That way also you can mark, okay, because we know these were bisectors, so they ought to be equal. So anyways, here we would say angle 1 is equal to angle 2. See, this whole angle was equal to this whole angle. ये हमने बोला था. तो अगर both angles are equal, their halves or their the angle obtained on bisecting are also going to be equal. Okay, so that is why this condition, that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. That's up to you how you want to write. Want to name it as this way, or maybe you can just straight away write it this, that if angle C is equal to angle G, then half of C is equal to half of G, and this angle ACD is half of C, and in place of half of G you can write angle FGH. Okay, so that's up to you how you want to write it. So again you have got your two angles. So by AA criteria the triangles will come out to be similar, and if the triangles are similar then their sides are in proportion. So again you can take, as I said, कि अगर आपने triangle properly name किया है तो CD के साथ यहाँ से आएगा GH, then AC के साथ आएगा FG. ये proportion में होंगे because we'll say corresponding sides of similar triangle. Now for the second part, children, in this first part we had already proved this fact that CD upon GH is coming equal to AC upon FG by proving these two triangles similar. Okay, and this was already given to us, or we can say from, because the triangles were given similar, so we had concluded this proportion already, that further this AC upon HG will be proportional to BC upon EG. So taking these two facts together, this is same, so these two will also be equated. So you ultimately get your CD upon GH will be equal to BC upon EG. ये proportion आ गया आपके पास. Now these are corresponding sides of the triangles that now we need to prove similar. See, let's go back to the figure. Okay, so from this figure you can clearly see that we had to prove triangle DCB. So you have triangle DCB here. This we have to prove similar to HGE. So HGE. These two triangles have to be proved similar. Okay. So उसके लिए हमने already ये proportion हमारा आ गया है in the second part, that CD of the first is proportional to GH of the second, which further is CBC of this is proportional to EG of the second. Okay, अब इनका जो included angle है 3 and 4 ये भी equal होगा because of the same fact that the two big angles were equal, तो उनके bisectors भी equal होंगे. Okay, so that is how we'll say that in these two triangles now angle, again, half of C and half of G, they will be equal. So you have got your SAS criteria. The sides bearing the equal angles are all in proportion. We've shown that. So by SAS, these two small triangles are also coming as similar. Okay. Next we had to prove DCA. Let's get back to the figure. Where is our DCA? DCA, this triangle here, and HGF. HGF. These two triangles also we have to prove are similar. So for that, we'll get back to, again, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. सब वही थे, same half, because they are given as angle bisectors of equal angles. Okay, and then this proportion we had already proved. So this is again giving you SAS criteria. These were the sides including the equal angles. See, come back to the figure. Here, this angle 1 is equal to angle 2, and the sides bearing these angles, that is your CA and GF. The other side, CD and GH. They are coming in proportion. So all of them nearly have the same logic and working. Okay. Question number 11th also is simple, children. Same logic again we need to apply. So in this figure is given to you where E is point outside CB produced. So you have to extend this CB to point E of an isosceles triangle ABC. ABC is isosceles with AB is equal to AC. तो ये sides equal हैं तो ये base angles भी equal होते हैं, right? And then further perpendicular AD is given to you, which is on BC, and then from this E point we have dropped a perpendicular EF on AC. So from the figure then you have to prove ABD triangle similar to ECF. Okay, so what parameters are we getting there in these two triangles? As I said, the base angles will be equal. So if AB was given equal to AC, then the base angles ABC will be equal to ACB. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay, this we will utilize in proving our triangles further similar. Okay, so how would you say that? Now if you consider triangle ABD, that you had to prove ABD, focus on that, and ECF. So what are we observing? This base angles, angle ABD, now you will say, of the first triangle ABD will be equal to ECF of the other triangle. ये base angles, ये x था तो ये भी x था. So for the triangles now we are going to name them as ABD being equal to ECF. Okay, because these were base angles of isosceles triangle. Next, 90 degree again we can see. Angle ADB of the first is equal to angle EFC of the second. They are 90 degree each. So AA criteria से ये दोनों triangles भी similar आ गए. That's all you had to do.